Hey, so today we're going to be demoing a simple group application that I built in Java. This application allows multiple clients to connect to a server and chat with one another in real time. So as you can see here, we have my three files for the application. We have the server code, the client code, and then the make file. The make file allows the user to easily compile the client and server components in the command line. So today I'm going to be first demoing the server side, and then the client side, and then concluding. So first off, we want to navigate to proper directory. All right, now we will compile the server and client side programs with the make file. Now that we've successfully done that, we'll begin the demo for the server side of the program. So here's my server code. So here we have a program that sets up a server socket on a specific port, which is provided by the user in the command line. And it listens for incoming client connections and handles communication between the clients. When a client connects to the server creates a new thread to handle communication with that client. And the server maintains a list of all connected clients and broadcasts messages to all of them when a new message is received. So you'll get to see all of those components working here shortly as I progress through the demo. For now, let's go ahead and launch our server. So we use the command line argument, or prompt rather, Java server, followed by the port number that we would like to connect to. Now, you don't have to provide a port number. As you can see, we have initialized the port to the default port number. So if you provide none, the server is going to use that default port. But here we are going to provide our own port. So I'll provide it with port 5001. So as you can see, the server will display a message informing the user that they have started, or the server has started, and is waiting for clients to connect. So that brings us to the client side of the program now. Let's open up in the terminal window and begin demoing that aspect of the program. So here is our client code. So this program is going to connect to the server and allow the user to enter messages to send to other clients. Client program has a graphical user interface, consists of a chat window where messages are displayed, and a text input field where users can enter messages. When a new message is received, it's displayed in the chat window along with the name of the sender. Each client is identified by a unique username that they enter when they first connect to the server. The client program also displays a list of all connected clients that users can see who else is currently online. So let's go ahead and demo how the client side interacts with the server. Similarly to the server side, the client side is launched in the command line with two optional arguments. The server side just asks for the port. Here on the client side, we're going to have optional arguments for host and port. So if you don't provide any, it's going to go with localhost and port 5000, a couple of defaults here. But we are going to include our own localhost, which is the default, but then port 5001 so we can connect to server side. And I will mention here that users on other machines, of course we're doing this demo on all on my machine, but a user on other machine could connect to the server machine if they have access to the server machine's IP. And they would just put that here in place of localhost to connect. So launch the client. It's going to bring up that graphical user interface. Very simple. Where it asks for the username, in my case, Andrew Milo Bruce, and then log in. So in this GUI, it displays my username that I have joined the chat. In the client terminal window, it's going to inform that we've connected the server successfully. On the server side, it will inform that the client has connected to the server from this IP, this port, and this local port, and the username, which has connected. So let me go ahead and launch another terminal window and connect our second client. Let's go with Doug. All right. So as you can see on the first client window, it's displayed that Doug has joined the chat. Now these two users can interact with each other in real time in the GUI. So, hey Doug. Hey Andrew. How you doing? I'm well. Don't want to make the demo too long though. See ya. And then to exit out, exit the window. And I'll terminate in the terminal windows as well. And there's that. So we have concluded our demo of simple chat application in Java. In the future, I would love to add on to this project, make it more accessible, make the interface more accessible, and maybe definitely add some more features to it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the demo.